Hey everyone, welcome to Geomathic. There is a triangle inside the square cut in half by an angle bisector, and the areas of the two parts are given. You can see these two angles are equal and this is an angle bisector. Now our task is to find the area of this shaded region, which is a trapezoid. Before we dive in, there is a powerful geometry rule you need to know. Angle bisector theorem says when we draw an angle bisector in a triangle, it splits the triangle into smaller triangles, and the ratio of the areas equals the ratio of the two adjacent sides. I explain it in another shape. Consider it's a triangle and this line is an angle bisector and these two angles are equal. The area of this part is 10 and this part 7. The rule says the length of adjacent sides, means this and this, is a multiple of the numerical value of its area. That means when this area is 10, the length of this side is a multiple of 10. For example, 10t, 10y, 10x, something like that. And of course for this one, when this area is 7, the length of this side is a multiple of 7, like 7t, 7y, 7x. In another word, the area is proportional to the length of the adjacent side. Okay, back to problem. As I said, we have a triangle here which is divided into two smaller triangles. The area of this one is 12 and this one 13. So the adjacent side of this equals 12t and the adjacent side of this triangle equals 13t. Okay, and since this shape is a square, so this side is 12t, this side is 12t, and of course this side is 12t. The shape is a square, so this angle is a right angle. Okay, now we have a right angle triangle, and Pythagorean theorem says we can find the length of this side. So I write it here, 13t squared equals 12t squared minus, I name this part x squared. So x equals the square root of 169 t squared minus 144 t squared equals the square root of 25 t squared equals 5t. Okay, so this part equals 5t. Now we have the length of all three sides of this right angle triangle, and of course we know the area of this triangle, which is 12 plus 30 equals 25. And now we need to find the area based on the parameter t. So I write that 1/2 times height times base, 12t times 5t equals 30t squared equals the numerical value of the area, which is 12 plus 30 equals 25. So I factor out 5, then we have 6t squared equals 5. Remember this? And the final step, by all this information we have made, now we can find the area of this shaded region, which is a trapezoid, and the area of a trapezoid equals 1/2 times the sum of two base times the height. Okay, so I write that 1/2 times sum of two base. When the length of this side is 12t and this one 5t, this length equals 70. So I write 70 plus 12t, 70 plus 12t times the height, 12t. To simplify, I write 90t times 12t over 2. Then we have t times t equals t squared, and we factor out 2. Then we have 6t squared times 19. And before we have the value of 6t squared, which is 5. Then 19 times 5 equals 95, which is the area of this trapezoid. Have a good time.